the steering stabilizer fully extended, measure the exposed length of the piston rod. Push the piston rod in until you have half of your original measurement exposed. Install the supplied washer and bolt along with the bracket. This is approximately where you are going to attach the bracket. Install the 2 U-bolts and lock nuts. After tightening, cycle the steering to make sure you have proper clearances and adjust as necessary.
For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.